Hey everyone, it's Tom with the Green Dot Group. Welcome back to another video on design thinking. We're going to talk about a brainstorming tool, an activity that a design team can use to reframe the challenge and really understand what is important to the customer. And that tool is the customer radar. I know within these videos I've introduced a lot of tools to you, and you might start to feel overwhelmed by all the tools that you can use. Understand that the tools are meant to serve a purpose and support important dialogue that needs to occur within the design team in order to help them move forward. The expectation isn't that you use every single tool in the toolbox. Many of these tools are substitutes for each other. And in this case, the design thinking or customer radar is something that can be used as a substitute for maybe writing how might we statements or even the user needs statements. It really is a visual tool to combine the team's input to really unpack and understand all the things that are important to the customer, so you can unpack those things and visualize and see everything that is on the customer's radar, but also have them prioritized in a way that those ideas or those topics, those issues, those needs that are more centered to the graph indicate that those things are the highest priority. Concentrating the team's focus on those things as an input into the next step of generating a list of customer-centered solutions.